Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss January 2022 current affairs which is extremely important for your CMA 2022 exam. If you want PDF of this, then you can join our Telegram group. I will put the link in description. So the first question is the annual income limit for EWS category. So that is 8 lakhs currently. An app launched by China for Olympians participating in Winter Olympics this year. So that was May 2022. As of 2022, which city has the longest metro rail network in the world? So it is Shanghai, China. Which sanctuary has been proposed by Government of India as new tiger reserve at Global Tiger Summit? So that is Ramgarh Wildlife Sanctuary in Rajasthan. Which state got first rank in the National Water Awards 2020? So it is Uttar Pradesh. The headquarters of Conference on Disarmament is located in, so it is in Geneva. A SMILE scheme's objective is to, so this is a scheme for transgenders and the persons engaged in begging. It is a scheme of which ministry? So this is for Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. The first country to place order for BrahMos missiles, so that is Philippines. The app launched by SEBI for educating investors, so that is Sarthi app. The famous social worker who died recently known as Mother of Orphans. So this is nothing but Sindhutai Sakpal. Which payment bank got the scheduled bank status by RBI? So that is Airtel Payments Bank. World's most valuable brand as per Brand Finance 2022 Global 500 report. So this is Apple. India's rank in Corruption Perception Index 2021 by Transparency International. So that was 85th. First rank was for 3 countries, Denmark, Finland and New Zealand. India's rank in Henley Passport Index 2022. So this was 84th. This was released in Jan 2022. The first rank is for 2 countries, Singapore and Japan. New capital of Indonesia. So this is Nusantara. It is on islands of the Borneo. Which bank was named as the best private bank in India as per Global Private Banking Awards 2021? So this is HDFC Bank. National Startup Day has been recently announced on which date by Prime Minister Modi? So this is on 16th January. The first city in India to have water metro project. So this is in Kochi, Kerala. Which university has been recently established by India for sports persons? So this is Major Dhyan Chand Sports University in Meerut. The first open rock museum which depicts rocks in India in which city? So this is in Hyderabad. The first company to hit $3 trillion of market capitalization. So this is Apple. India's first intelligent messenger is, so this is POPs by Paytm Money. The title sponsor of the IPL for 2022 and 2023 seasons. So this is Tata, which replaced Vivo. 2021 ICC Awards. So Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy for ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year. So this was for Shaheen Afridi from Pakistan. Rachel Flynn Trophy for ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year. So this is Smriti Mandhana, India. Men's Test Cricketer of the Year, Joe Root, England. Men's ODI Cricketer of the Year, Babar Azam, Pakistan. Winner of Australian Open 2022 in men. So that is Rafael Nadal from Spain. Winner of Australian Open 2022 women. So that is Ashley Barty from Australia. The sex ratio at birth of India in the year 2020-2021. So that is 937. The first black woman to appear on US coin. So that is poet Maya Angelou. Pandit Birju Maharaj is associated with which dance form? So that is Kathak. The most innovative educational institute of India in the technical category as per Atal Ranking 2021. So that is IIT Madras. Yuva Puraskar and Bal Sahitya Puraskar are awards announced by, so these are awards announced by Sahitya Academy. Senkaku Island is a contested land between 2 countries. So this is a contested land between Japan and China. The first Startup India Innovation Week was launched in the year. So this was in 2021. The upper limit on expenditure by Lok Sabha candidate for elections. So that is 95 lakhs. India's first multi-dimensional adventure sports expedition was carried out in which country? So this was in France. Women and girls left behind: glaring gaps in pandemic response report is released by the institute. So that is by UN Women. In Goa recently, the statue of famous footballer is unveiled. So it is of Cristiano Ronaldo. AFSPA is extended for 6 months in which state? So this is in Nagaland. Veer Bal Divas is celebrated on. So this is on 26th December. Compendium on the innovations on technology is released by. So this is by Niti Aayog. Which portal is launched for consumer complaints? So this is e-Dakhil. Which country is going to be the member of RCEP, Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership? So that is Indonesia. Financial Stability Report is released by. So this is released by RBI. The GST Council has decided to defer the increase in GST on which product? So this is on textile. 150 Villages of Excellence is a joint initiative of India and Israel for. So it is for helping farmers adopt the modern technology in farming. Who has been appointed as the new Vice President of AAIB, Asia Infrastructure Investment Fund? So that is Urjit Patel. Indian Army has set up a quantum computing lab and artificial intelligence center in which city? So it is Mau, MP. The objective of James Webb Telescope. So it is to find the origin of universe. Sector least affected by COVID-19 as per Economic Survey 2021-2022. So that is agriculture. The nodal agency for C2S program, Cheap to a Startup. So that is CDAC. BA1, BA2, BA3 are sub-lineages of. So this is our Omicron variant. How many total winners in National Startup Awards 2021? So there were total 46 startups, one incubator was also there and one accelerator. Which incubator won the National Startup Awards 2021? So this was Access Livelihoods Foundation. Which accelerator won the National Startup Awards 2021? So this was India Accelerator. Renault, one of the winner of a startup award, is in which sector? So this is in energy distribution. The highest number of complaints against women in the year 2021 has been received from which state? So this is from Uttar Pradesh. Newly appointed Chief Economic Advisor. So this is V. Ananta Nageswaran. The top exported commodity in India in year 2020-2021 was non-basmati rice. New ISRO Chief. So this is S. Somnath. Deltacron variant was originally identified in. So this was in Cyprus. Major Dhyanchand the Sports University is in which city? So it is in Meerut. New chairman and CEO of Railway Board. So that is Vinay Kumar Tripathi. Which state won Vijay Hazare Trophy title in the year 2021-2022? So that is Himachal Pradesh. New chief economist of IMF. So it is Pierre Olivier Gourinchas. Which campaign is launched by the Ministry of Education for improvement in reading capabilities and vocabulary? So this is Padhe Bharat campaign. First male tennis player to win 21 Grand Slam titles. So this is Rafael Nadal. Which state has the highest number of MSME entrepreneurs from SC community? So this is Maharashtra. The $10 trillion dream book written by. So this is by Subhas Garg. First India Central Asia Virtual Summit was hosted by. So this was Narendra Modi. Newly appointed Director General of Indian Coast Guard. So this is V.S. Pathania. General Bipin Rawat received which Padma Award? So it was Padma Vibhushan. A teen folk has travel and debit card. So that is Pencil Card by Pencilton. Book Fearless Governance written by. So this was written by Kiran Bedi. Which tiger reserve received TX2 award? So that is Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve in Erode, Tamil Nadu. India targets to achieve net zero carbon emission by which year? This is 2070. Prabha Atre, the Padma Vibhushan awardee, is associated with the field. So this is music. The Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank Limited is merged with. So this is merged with Unity, a small finance bank. A Little Book of India celebrating 75 years of independence, book written by. So this is by Ruskin Bond. Indomitable, a working woman's notes on life, work and leadership, is an autobiography of. So this is of Arundhati Bhattacharya, first woman chairperson of SBI. Golden Globes Award 2022 Best Film Drama. So this was The Power of the Dog. Best Film Musical or Comedy Genre. So that is West Side Story. Best Actor in Drama. So that is Will Smith. Best Actress in Drama Nicole Kidman. Best Director Jane Campion. Best Non-English Film. So that is Drive My Car. This is a Japanese movie. Milena Salvini was associated with. So this is Kathakali. Global rank of Tata Group as the most valuable brand as per Brand Finance 2022. So this is 78, and this is a only Indian company in top 100. National Tourism Day in India. It is observed on 25th January. A state which won the maximum number of awards at the National Startup Awards 2021. So this was Karnataka. 14 out of 46 startups were from Karnataka. Best FIFA Men's Player Award 2021. So this was Robert Lewandowski from Poland. India's richest self-made female billionaire. So that is Falguni Nayar Nika. Best TV series drama at the Golden Globe Awards 2022. So that is Succession. Khelo India Youth Games 2022-23 will be held in. So that would be in Madhya Pradesh. Arrow 3 anti-ballistic missile system is successfully tested by which country? So this is by Israel. Asia Ministerial Conference on Tiger Conservation is being held in. So this will be held in Malaysia. Koila Darpan portal's objective is to. So this initiative objective is to share the key performance indicators of coal industry. IREDA full form. So this is Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. This is a mini Ratna. 5 alarm global fire, that is 5 major risks for year 2022 declared by United Nations are. So UN has declared 5 major risks for year 2022. These are COVID-19 first, lawlessness in cyberspace, climate crisis third, bankrupt global financial system, and fifth one is diminished peace and security. Banking on electrical vehicles in India report is released by. So this report is released by Niti Aayog. Okay, so we have discussed I think more than 100. Okay, and you can subscribe our channel. Also, if you want PDF, then you can join Telegram group. I will post the link in description. Okay, thank you.